Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint a beautiful sunset using just 4 colors. What are we waiting for? So let's get started. First, we need to get our canvas ready. I'm using a square canvas measuring 8 by 8 inches. If you are using a pre-stretched canvas, that's perfect. If you don't have one, you can always use a piece of cardboard or any surface you have at home. Now let's start the sky. We are going to use a big blob of warm yellow at the top and 2 tiny drops of orange at the bottom. And don't forget to mark the horizon by using the masking tape approximately at the center of the canvas. Now I am going to use a broad flat brush to blend these paints. Observe the brush strokes, how the colors blend together. It's like a magic. Once you are satisfied by the blending, let it dry completely. Now I am going to mark a circle at the center of the sky to draw our setting sun using a coin to give a perfect circle shape. You can use any round object. To paint the sun, I have taken white and lemon yellow mixed together and paint the circle. That looks perfect. To make the sunset even more beautiful, let's add some silhouettes of trees near the horizon using the black paint. But be gentle with your brush strokes so that black doesn't overpower the bright sunset. I'm using the flat brush again because it is easy to draw straight line using the flat brush. Observe now how I am holding the brush and creating these pine trees. Isn't it cool? I am having fun. I hope you guys are enjoying watching me paint. Some final touch to our sky and we are done with the sky part and good to remove the masking tape. Now, moving to the remaining part of the painting. To create the light reflection of sunset, I am going to use the orange and lemon yellow colors to paint the water. I have taken the 2 drops of orange color on either side of the canvas and using the broad flat brush, gently spreading the colors towards the center. Observe the brush strokes. You have noticed that I left some white gaps in the center as well as near the horizon. These gaps, we can fill it with lemon yellow paints. Using the small flat brush, I am creating the random yellow straight line. Observe how I am holding the brush and creating the lines. I am filling the yellow color near the horizon, but leaving the small white area near the center of the horizon to show the bright sunlight reflection in the water. And also adding some white color to the sun to make it more bright. Now to give some extra effect to our painting, I am going to paint some small islands in the water using the black color, giving some random shape to create the islands. Adding some more pine trees of different sizes to give some life to our painting. I am using the fan brush to draw the leaves. If you don't have it, any flat brush or round brush can do the same job. Adding some grass to give the realistic look to our painting. almost reached the final step of our painting. Just need to create some reflection of island and trees in water by adding some black color and creating random feeble shapes of the trees. But make sure that you go gentle and avoid overdoing it. It may also ruin the painting. Now adding some birds to give the final touch to our perfectly done beautiful sunset painting. And there you have it, a stunning sunset painting. Remember, the best part about painting is having fun and being creative. You can always experiment with colors and shapes to make your sunset unique. Thanks for painting with me today. See you soon with one more exciting art tutorial. Until then, bye and be safe.